Adding legs to an IKEA dollhouse is one of the cutest upgrades that you can do, and I'm going to show you how. I'm using legs that have 3 small notches to help align the bracket. Make sure the side with the countersink, that little angled indentation, is facing up. You can screw them in by hand, but using a drill makes it way easier. Before attaching, double check that the bracket is lined up correctly on each leg. If one looks off or angled weirdly, just rotate the bracket and reattach. To keep the legs tucked neatly under the dollhouse, I'm measuring 7/8 of an inch in from the edge on the underside of the base. Line up the leg at that mark and drill it in place. Quick tip, the screws that come with these legs are too long for the dollhouse base, so swap them out for 1/2-inch wood screws instead. Once all the legs are attached, just flip it over and start building the dollhouse. I recommend inserting all of the wooden pegs first. It makes assembly way easier. Then just follow the instructions from IKEA. The final result is cute and sturdy. Plus, the space underneath can even double as an extra room or a garage for a little toy car. My sons are thrilled with their little mouse house, and I love seeing them play with it. Thanks for following along. I hope you found it helpful. What other IKEA dollhouse mods do you love?